What is up, y'all? So I'm bringing to you guys a specific build series for my Yamaha R6. It's a 2013, only has 6,000, maybe 6,500 miles on it. And I'm gonna tell you guys the full mods list that I'm gonna be doing to this bike in this video. So let's get right into it. So first off, we will be doing the rear cowl delete, or aka the rear fender. I will be doing a catback exhaust. I'm not gonna tell you exactly which exhaust I'm gonna be doing. And then I'm gonna be doing these big bogus turn signal delete. I'm gonna be doing flush mount turn signals. I will be bringing y'all a full video on how to do different levers. These are completely stock levers, clutch and brake levers. There's a couple more things I want to be doing to it. I'm gonna take and do a windscreen change. I have a specific one. I'm not gonna tell you guys the exact products. You're gonna have to wait and see within the next few videos. I will be taking these reflectors off. Let's see, what else would I be doing to the bike? I'm gonna do a tank grip pad. I'll show you guys how to install that. I'm gonna do shorty mirrors, so shorter mirrors than these right here. Don't get me wrong, I do like the style of these mirrors right here, but they're just too long for me. I like everything to be short, close to the bike. I'm not sure yet, but I might go ahead and do different seats. I do want to stick with the black because I like the concept of the colorway of the bike itself. I will be showing y'all how to mount up the GoPro and the microphone to the helmet itself. This is my helmet. It is the Sadisi Strata 2. It's got the built-in Senna. In my opinion, I highly recommend this helmet if you don't want to go out the way and try to install a Senna yourself, especially if you're a beginner rider. This is the helmet. I will be going ahead and giving you guys a stock muffler sound clip on what it sounds stock. And you guys, when I do the exhaust, the catback exhaust system, I will be showing you guys how to install it, the before and after sound clips. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get this puppy started up. As you can tell, I've already been riding 176, so this isn't a cold start. Very weak exhaust, very weak. The exhaust isn't loud at all. Sounds very tin canny, and it does sound very like a tin can, especially when you're in the higher RPMs from 10,000 to about 14,000. It sounds just absurd. I don't like it. It's very quiet. I do want to upgrade to something pretty loud. I'm thinking about either the M4 GP exhaust, or I'll be doing either the M4 GP exhaust, the M4 Street Slayer catback, or the Hot Bodies megaphone. I just don't want it to be too loud because I don't want my ears to be dead, but at the same time I do want other drivers on the road to know that I am bike and I am there. So that's why I'm opting in for a louder exhaust. I mean, you can keep the stock one, it does sound nice. It's just in the higher RPMs, it sounds very tin canny. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, but this is what the exhaust sounds like when you rev it. The exhaust note is just not there. I don't really like the sound of the exhaust, but no worries for that. It is going to be coming off. I also do want to do different headlights, because in Yamaha particular fashion, you know, they like to have only the one running. When I like it, people always ask me, oh, why is only one headlight on? Why do you only have one headlight on? You got a headlight out. But at the same time, that's just Yamaha's poor design with the headlights. Don't get me wrong, I do love this bike. It is a great bike. I've owned it for maybe about a month now, and I'm finally bringing you guys a couple videos. I'm gonna bring you guys a whole build series on this bike and what I want to do to it and things I am doing to it. So stay tuned. Videos coming real soon. I'm gonna be trying to upload probably, I'd say once a week, give or take. I do have a full-time job, so I will be getting to the build series in the meantime. But in between time, y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Give me any tips, tricks on what you guys want to see me doing to the bike or see me doing with the bike. In the long run, I do plan on taking time and actually moto vlogging, because I find that very unique and cool. You get to talk about certain scenarios and stuff like that. But y'all stay tuned. Got more videos coming soon. Peace out.